Hey guys, Bryony and Andrew here from Accelerate. We are going to run you through a caravan install in this caravan. So we're in here in the bathroom in an Urban Tungsten Extreme caravan. We've just done a Caravan Sahara install. So Andrew, do you want to tell us a little bit about it? Why has the customer gone with it?
Yeah, okay. So basically what it is, it's a positive pressure system. So what it does is, I won't switch it on yet, it's super noisy. It, through a filter, blows heaps of air into the van, pressurizes the van, and basically so any gaps that would have let dust in while you're driving, now the theory is air is pushing out, so no dust gets in. So a lot of guys are using these very successfully. And basically, yeah, it just positively pressurizes the van so you get no dust in. The reason, normally you'd fit them at the front of the van because obviously the filter gets a bit dustier at the back. The roof of this van just had no room at all. It is maxed with solar, satellites, aerials, wine guards. This thing's got a lot. So this was the perfect hatch size down the back. So we've whacked it in there and happy days, no more dust.
So it basically goes in an existing hatch, is that correct?
Existing, or you can cut a new hatch. Obviously existing is much easier install, but we just had no room at the front to cut a new hatch, so we had this existing hatch. Save time, save money, and it's a perfect place for it. And also, so one final thing, actually being on the side, it's going to make it a lot easier for the owner to clean the filter in it. When they are in the middle of the van, they can be very difficult to get over and get all screws out, so it's actually pretty cool that it's on the side.
So it's basically something that you turn on before you drive, is that correct? Yeah,
so your final thing, so pack up your van, final thing, get everything ready, and then switch it on. You ready for this? So that's it. It just runs, it just blows air in basically through. It's got like a giant, looks like an air filter in an engine, just your plain old engine filter, and yeah, but it's huge and no dust. No cleanup when you get to where you're going.
So if you have liked this video, check out our other caravan install videos here, and YouTube really thinks you should watch this video here. As always, if you have any questions, comment below.